Hey guys, today just a quick trade recap. I want to show you my trades that I took on my evaluation account. So the first one was, well, the best one was this long. I took it here. I entered with two contracts, and I'm gonna just tell you why. So we saw some downtrend, strong downtrend going into this zone. Then I noticed that at the Yeah, I'm gonna show you also on these candlestick charts. This was the downtrend. Okay, this is the downtrend. You can see aggressive sellers selling, selling, selling. Then we saw this big order that bounce off, and then as we know, this is the bid side and this is the ask. On the bid, you can see aggressive sellers, which we've seen here, here, and here, or passive buyers. So there was a big passive order sitting on this level. It was around this level. This is the overnight low and was sitting around here. So I wait for sweep of the low. I thought it's gonna bounce right off, so I entered some positions here, but closed them as soon as I saw that we are continuing to sell. But here, the absorption and the bounce showed us that the strength of the liquidity sweep, and also this buyer probably didn't want to get thousands of contracts getting swept, so he also helped this uptrend. So I entered here. Uh, Saw some struggles here, but my stop loss was around here. So we just rallied higher, took some profits here. This was my first contract profit. It was around 200 bucks or 150. And the second profit here, as I saw that we are getting absorbed and the delta just wasn't there after this candle. So this there I closed my second contract. It was, I think, on this account. No, it was on the second one. So it was on this account. And this was the trade that I wanted to show you. This passive buyer using limit order. Then sweeping the liquidity. You can see that we swept this pre-market low and we rallied higher. Could have also traded this downtrend. This is what TJR traded of, based off this liquidity sweep, but I wasn't sure because I'm gonna show you why. It's just simulation account, but I'm gonna show you this was the liquidity sweep that TJR took trade of. But on the footprint, you can see that at 1600, this was just news. This was nothing more than just news, so I didn't think that the news swept the liquidity enough because I didn't see, see that there are no many contracts on these candles, so I thought the liquidity sweep wasn't that big. But on this candle, I should have entered, honestly, because of this delta and the fact that we swept the liquidity. But I took my chances here. This one was even better setup because we saw a passive buyer here. This wasn't an aggressive seller for sure, and we just rallied higher. So that's for today. I'm gonna show you my account balances. You can see that I have one performance account activated, but I didn't want to trade it today because I don't like trading on Tuesday. I got close to passing this account, only 217 bucks to go, and this account was passed today, so I'm gonna also transform it to performance account and see how things go. So that's it from me today, and see you probably tomorrow. Now we can see that we swept some liquidity. We swept the liquidity. I'm gonna see how it performs on this chart, so we maybe can trade something, but we don't see. Well, this price action is actually pretty good. Also, a good thing about this is that the POC is low. Low POC means that there are trapped sellers. So we might be looking for some longs here, but as you can see, this is high volume area, so profits will be around here, around these three POCs. So that's not really high probable trade or not a good risk to reward. So I'm not gonna trade this. Just
Order filled.
quickly on the simulation account would have put my stop over here below this. I would also take one contract of here and the second one of on the high of the day. So the second one would be around 4607. We'll see how this plays out, and then based on that, see if it was a good setup or not. But for me, this is not the A plus setup, as we didn't see enough confirmation at passive buyers. But we can see pretty strong rally up, and delta is also following, so we would have made some cash here.
Target
And
filled.
I'm gonna close it just for the sake that I need to finish this video. But yeah, that's just example of liquidity sweep and some reaction of it. You can see that it was pretty strong even after 5-minute candles. Yeah, and that's it for today. See you next time, guys. Thank you.